Next airdrop we're going to do is called Easy Feedback. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. There's a link in the description box below. Click on it, it'll send it to you to this. And make sure you do not send any money to any airdrops. All airdrops are free. Click start on the bot. We'll type in this CAPTCHA. And we'll just click on this next. And we will join this airdrop. First thing it's going to ask you to do is do the whitelist on their website. So we're going to go there real quick. Then we're going to go over here, put our names in for all this stuff. Put whatever you want in there. And they only take crypto. Maybe refer to a person, give us their name, thank you. And just type my name in there. Just type that in. You're going to come down here and you're going to click send. We'll bring the bot back up again. We're going to go to their Telegram chat. We're going to join their group. We're going to come back here. We are going to go and follow on their Twitter. And I believe it said retweet a post as well. So we will click on follow. And then after we click on follow, we're going to come down here. We'll like this post. And we will retweet the post as well. And then they want you to go to their, no, not their Twitter. They want you to go to their Reddit page. Open that up. And then we'll go here. We'll click on follow. We'll go to easy feedback token. And then they just want you to make a quick comment on their one post there. And we will give a quick comment on there. And then we'll pop this up and we will go to their YouTube channel. We'll open their YouTube channel up. And what we'll do is we'll just like their video over here and we will subscribe to their channel. And then the next thing we're going to do is click on submit details. It wants your email that we sent originally to this one here. So we'll just copy and paste our email right into here. Click on this. And then if we join the group, we're just going to click on done. Want your Twitter profile link and then press enter. So we'll copy and paste our Twitter profile link right into there. We'll click on next. Next, it wants you to put in your Reddit username. Next, it will want you to put in an ERC20 compatible address. We can just copy and paste that address right into there. That's the end of this airdrop. We're off and on to the next one. Subscribe to the channel.